What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Kia, and I'm back with another video. Yeah, but your girl is back with another video, y'all. It's been a long time coming, y'all. I have a good excuse, but y'all gotta stay tuned for that, okay? But as you can see by that title, and you can also see by that thumbnail, you already know what's about to go down. So your girl finally got her wig in the mail. I'm gonna show you her. This is straight out the packaging, okay? So I'm gonna show you her. It don't mind my room, okay? It look a hot mess, but this is her straight out the packaging. I have to bleach her. She looked pre-plucked, but I'm gonna like look at it after I bleach it and see how it look after that. Yes, y'all, I'm super excited because your girl, I need my hair done. Y'all see, 2 puffs. But yeah, so before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And if you like already subscribed and all that, welcome back to this video. Welcome back, babe. I appreciate you for watching. And I've been gone for a minute, but I'm back, and yeah. I love you, and yeah. I'll be back. I'm gonna bleach it, and y'all probably will see it too, so give me about 2 seconds, okay? Okay, guys, so I'm now got my wig, and I've started bleaching. I just want to come on camera and show you a little bit more. And you don't want to press down too hard, you know? After I bleach, I'm going to let it sit for about 15 minutes because I have the 30 developer. If I had the 40 developer, it'll be like 10 minutes. So a little quicker, but... And then after we bleach and we wait 15 minutes, we're gonna go shampoo her real good. For about 15 minutes, and I will see y'all when we get to the bathroom so I can, you know, wash out. Yeah. All right, she's not ready to shampoo. So yes, guys, I'm gonna shampoo her, and I'll be back. I want to come back and show you she is now bleached. I over bleached her just a tad, but hey, we'll make it work. I want to get her like up close so you can see the knot. I'm gonna show you the inside of the wig. This is her. But yeah. So yeah, this is her on the mannequin head. It's hard to record and to like freaking get her right, but as you can see, I over bleached her a little bit, but we can get that right. But yeah, it's time to pluck a little bit. I don't want to over pluck because look what they did. They was already like that, but yeah. Okay, I'm about to I'm gonna use this for the first time. So I'm gonna try to do the stocking cap method. And yeah. Here we go. And I like to just do this so it can like be in place. You know? Oh, y'all, I forgot to, before I go any further, I'm gonna cut my hole in my ears. See that? Nails on it, so it's a little. There we go. See? Now we can. I try to get like the ears really, really good. It's the earpiece for me. That's gonna be giving me the most trouble. And it just be like, girl, I'm crazy, but yeah, girl. Laying out my edges. I really hope they turn out right. I'm not really good with edges, but we're going with a middle part. So yeah, y'all, so just stay tuned, because I really hope this turned out right. Okay, guys, this is the final look. I think it came out pretty good. Just let me know in the comments on how you like it, or if you don't like it, and what should I do to fix it, or whatever, you know, the case may be. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, guys, and I will be back with more video. Peace.